In this video, you'll learn how to run code in the Windsurf application. This guide provides a step-by-step process to help you create a chatbot app using this platform's features. Start by opening the Windsurf application on your computer. If you have not installed it yet, ensure that you download and install the latest version from the official source. Once the application is running, you will be greeted with the main interface where various options are available. Next, locate and click on the agent option within the application. This option is typically found in the main menu or toolbar. Selecting this will allow you to manage or create agents that will execute your code. After clicking, a new screen will appear displaying the agent management features. After that, you should see a button labeled New Session. Click on this to initiate a new coding session. This action will transition you to a fresh workspace where you can begin inputting your code. Take a moment to ensure that the new session is properly loaded before proceeding. Once this appears, a code input area labeled Cascade Code will show up on your screen. This is where you will type your code. Begin by typing in the command to create a chatbot app. Make sure to enter it accurately, as any errors could affect the execution later on. Following your input, click on the Enter key to submit your code. This action will register your command with the Windsurf application. You should see a confirmation or a loading indicator confirming that your input has been received for processing. Now, wait for Windsurf to generate the necessary components for your chatbot app. Depending on the complexity of the code and your system's performance, this may take a few moments. It is important to be patient during this phase as the application is working to create your app. Once the generation process is complete, find and click on the Run button. This button is typically located near the code input area. After clicking it, the application will execute your code and you will see the results of your chatbot app in action. If there are any errors, the application will typically provide feedback to help you troubleshoot the issue. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.